Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, and today we're doing the roll-nlock M Series XT on a Ram 1500. As you can see, it is lifted. This gentleman here that just drove 3.5, maybe 4 hours just for us to do the installation, and I do appreciate you can see all the bugs in the front of this vehicle from his long drive. So come on over here, let's see what we did for him. I gotta admit, I do love when customers go out of the way and just to come see us over here at C&H. And I have to make sure I do an extra special install because it'd be hard for him to come back. So we have to make sure it's perfect when it leaves. So what do we got here? Well, we got a Ram 1500, and this is the roll-nlock M Series with the XT rail. Now, what is the XT rail? You know, I've been talking a lot about these things, and I think they're perfect for everything. An XT rail is a T-slot rail that lets you add racks. Now, if you look over at my truck here, I got a roll-nlock as well, and guess what? I got the XT rail. And I have all kinds of stuff on here. I got the Rhino racks, I got Truxedo Elevate system, I got a Safari basket by Kurt. All those things on this can go on this. So now before we get going, hopefully John can get the camera nice and high so you can see what the cover looks like. This truck is lifted and it's not low to the ground at all. So hopefully we get a good view on what it is. So now that we see how it looks, let's see how it works. So now before I get going here, I do love the new seal they put along here, and it's doing a great job of keeping the water out. Now, going into water, you know, no covers you're looking at are waterproof. They're water-resistant covers. Now, some are more water-resistant than others. Now, that roll-nlock has made some changes to the seals, and the newer covers are better at water than the previous models. If you had talked to me a few years back, one of my complaints was the roll-nlock let a little too much water into it, into the bed. The newer ones are basically up to par, if not slightly better than its competitors. So I like that a lot. So over here, this is a lifted truck, and I have done videos recommend this cover for a lifted truck, and I'll tell you why. I love retracts. I think it's a great cover, but you know, it does have a little handle that you have to reach over and open and close. Now, as you can, I'm 6 foot tall, and it'll be a little difficult for me. Not too bad, but again, if he lifted any higher, basically he would not be able to open his cover. That is not a problem with the roll-nlock. Again, I'll go ahead and open this up here. As you can see, it opens up really, really easy. And this is your little strap here. So you can stand on the side here, you can stand at the middle, you can stand anywhere along your back or your bed here to open this up. And it just, go ahead and pull it. Now you hear those little click noises. It does have pre-made stops, so if you want to have it partially open or partially closed, where you want to look at it, this can do that. Now, you would think that would be on all the covers out there. It is not. There's about half the covers just open and close. There's nothing in between. So this one is one of the better ones. This is going to have the stops along the track here. And again, as you can see, you go ahead and turn the little knob here. It opens up very smooth and very quick. It actually is faster than the electric one, which is I have. The main reason is the electric one, they were afraid some kids get hurt, so they make them go so too slow. But I don't mind. Now, another nice thing about this, look how much room you have underneath the canister. This has the smallest canister, or tied for the smallest canister of all the rolling covers. This way, if you're going to put something in the bed, you want to put a bed slide back here. You want to put, you know, you can probably even get a deck system to fit in here. You can add stuff in here. You can put stuff in there. You have a lot of room. Also, it has another feature that only roll-nlock has. What am I talking about? Well, it has a cover. See this right here? That is a cover in front of the canister. Why is that good? Well, as you know, as you're driving along, someone might cut in front of you. You hit your brake, and all the stuff in your back goes flying forward and hits the canister. Well, the cover will take a lot of the impact and protect the canister, which inside the canister is your cover. And the nice thing, it's very easy to fix. There's only 4 screws. You take it off. You can replace it if you need to. You can take a little spray paint, repaint it, make it look like new. Either way, it's very, very, very easy to fix, if I didn't say very enough. So, again, it's a great setup. I think this cover is, my personal opinion, is the best cover you should get for a lifted truck. If you got a nice, you know, 6-inch, 8-inch lift, whatever, this is the way to go. Anything with a strap. And I definitely recommend roll-nlock. I have it on my personal vehicle. It is made here in the USA. It's actually made down the street from my shop. So I get to see a lot. When they come out the new products, I get to see it right away. So I like that. And as you know, the XT is some of the newest products. And I tell you, you've probably been seeing all the videos I'm posting out. Man, am I doing a lot of XT rails? I'm doing tons of them. So, and why? Because they're better for the customer. If you ever want to do any off-roading, I mean, he's got a 4x4 here. He might want to go a little overlanding. He can put the racks on here. He can do all kinds of stuff. Or if he wants to use it for work, put a rack on there for a ladder or a kayak or camping, whatever, for tents. You could do a lot. And that's why I like this. It opens those options for you. Again, if you see what you see this and you say, you know what, I want to get it, how do I get it? You can go to our website, which is in the bottom of the YouTube video, or just give us a call at the store. I generally prefer you to call us, and I'll tell you why. I want to make sure whatever we get is going to work best for you. And the nice thing is when you're talking to us, we install these, we know what goes to what. If you're talking to some guy who doesn't know this product, he's just a computer guy, he might give you the wrong cover. You know, that doesn't fit your needs. We want to make sure whatever we get for you, we're going to get you the right one. This gentleman, like I said, he's upstate Florida. He drove all the way down. He called us. He ordered it, had it all set up, came down, and we took care of him. And I'm really proud that we're able to take care of these people who are a little further away, and we really appreciate our customers who do that. So again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Make sure you hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. If you like what you see, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Again, it doesn't cost you anything. Hit the subscribe button. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, doing a review on the roll-n-lock M Series with the XT rails. Thanks.